Just a quick video about replacing the gas struts on a Hyundai Tucson, but it's a fairly universal setup for just about all these vehicles that have the either the tailgate with the gas shocks or struts to lift them up, or in this case it's actually got a glass window, which is the one that's failed. It kept sliding down, so it was belch on the back of the head. That's the one that came out beside it. Now the original one, that's actually a genuine Hyundai one that I've taken out, and you can see the difference there. Now the trick with this is if you try and compress these, if you've never had the experience, if you try and compress the new ones, they are virtually impossible to push down. So don't, a bloke was saying on Google, if you can compress them, it means they're defective. So there you go. Anyway, what I thought was that I was doing, it wouldn't fit. But the trick is to, after you unclip these, now there are heaps of videos explaining how this is done. You'll see there's that little C-clip there is pushed out or pulled out. There's a little recess in the end, and all you do is pop a little flat screwdriver into that recess, lever out that clip, and that allows you, that pulls the retaining clip out, and it'll just pop off the little ball that is at the end of this little holder, and same at the other end down here. Right, I'll just put that down. Now the easiest way is do these one at a time. I've got a broomstick up there which I used. It's better if you have someone standing around to help you. This broomstick there, I've already done this, so that's why I'm not worrying about it. It's got a hole in there, and if you want to zip tie it to that D ring there, then just for a bit of safety, that's absolutely fine. Better to have it than to spend a lot of money looking for a replacement piece of glass after a belt someone on the head. Right, so what you do is clip it to the car body first, and then knock the other one, the old one, off on the glass, and then just lift the glass up to suit where it has to be, because that's the problem I had. I was trying to compress it to actually fit, and what you have to do is actually lift the glass right up, because it will actually travel past the point where of the length of the strut, and so you're only talking a couple of millimeters, and so it's not a great deal. And if you've got the correct one, it will fit, even though it doesn't look like it will. And the other question, and obviously then you do the other side, starting with the car body and then doing the one on the glass. And a lot of people see on Google were saying, well, if I can't compress it by hand, how in the world is it going to work after I put the glass, attach it to the glass? And I'll just take the broomstick away because it's only there for show. Put that out of the way, and basically down we go. And it's got a fair bit of force on it now, and it just locks in, and then we open it up again, and up she goes. Absolutely beautiful. Now it's some sort of physics thing that allows that to happen, and compresses quite easily once it's installed. I don't know anything about physics, so there you go. I'm not going to try and explain it, but it works, and everything's fine for $39 from the gas strut guys here in Australia, and now we don't have to worry about the glass falling down. Thank you.